pretty much sums it up. A quick recap of everything that we have done to this car. It's a work in progress. It's not perfect, guys. It's not perfect, but we're working on it. Here in the front, of course, we're missing the emblem. We got to paint this handle right here. We need new hood hinges. I'm not sure if we're gonna use this carbon fiber hood or if we're just gonna go all plain white. I have a white one in the storage, so I'm not sure. I'm still debating. We need to, of course, paint the whole car or sand it down and wrap it. I'm still undecisive. I'm not sure, you know, I'm not sure. But if we do decide to wrap it, I don't think I'll add the add-ons, the carbon fiber add-ons, and I don't think I'll go with the carbon fiber. If I do decide to wrap it in yellow, we're just gonna go with the original white OEM hood. And if we don't and we decide to paint it, then that's when I'll go with the carbon fiber add-ons, and maybe the Mad PSI trunk with the clear tail lights. Still not sure, but you know, slowly but surely. On another note, guys, Bear Mountain is 3 weeks away, and I could have sworn 2 months ago that I would be ready to go, but this car is far from perfect, and I don't want to go over there with a project. I'm kind of, you know, I want it to be done, and you know, that's just me, you know. But hopefully, I have it by next year, Bear Mountain time. But I highly doubt it. Once I finish the car, I'm gonna post it for sale. And yeah, guys, it is what it is. Anyways, guys, let's continue, man. Let's continue. So, of course, the paint job, man. We got some run-ins right here from old paint job right there. We got some rust in the doors. That's, I guess, starting. I looked at it and it was just a little bit, but you know. So I'm gonna need a new door. If not, repair this door. We got a little dent right here on the bottom. We also have a dent right here. Probably tell. We need lug nuts, rotors, calipers, brake pads, brake lines, pretty much the whole 9 yards. But everything is here. We got our rotors, brake pads, lug nuts, TCS, brake lines. Here we installed, of course, the suede. We cleaned, new radio, bolts, everything, the whole 9 yards. What's missing here, of course, is going to be the clips, the seat belts, the headliner, the star lights. I actually have them right here. And I already did my marks for my star lights and whatnot. This is gonna be a black headliner. And yeah, man, slowly but surely. It's 300 starlight strings or whatever you want to call it. Here we have fender roller. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Fender roller. We gotta roll the rear wells, and we also have to add the drag wheels and whatnot. It's gonna look super nice. And we continue. Oh, we need a new trunk. We need a new trunk. We need to patch these holes. The car is super dirty. It's super dirty. I only washed it once, I think twice since I got it. But we need a new trunk. This is a 94 trunk with a Pooms add-on. And yeah, the trunk is no good. We got another one right here. This is a 94 trunk in blue. This one is good, perfect, no dents, no nothing. Just needs paint. And yeah, man, can't wait to install that. Of course, we got the brown MR2 here. It's running really good. It's just I need to change. I think it's the slave cylinder or the what you call this thing in the front. It's either the slave cylinder or the clutch, whatever. Man, 3 o'clock in the morning, man. I don't know what I'm talking about. But the clutch thing, when you press the clutch, and then the fluid passes thing, I don't know, man. But it's either or. I'm not sure. Because I don't have a clutch. Like when I push the clutch down, it's floored. So I'm not sure if it's the slave cylinder or if it's the whatever. But this car's here. It's here. Nothing crazy. This is the engine bay. It's pretty clean, and yeah. But that's what we got with the brown MR2. It's super dirty, super dirty. I'm still sanding the hood for the past 3 months, 4 months. But you know, it is what it is, man. I don't have too much time. And yeah, that's what I got. In regards to the 2GR, still in a debate. I'm not sure if it's gonna go on the AW11 or the SW20 that I got in Miami, the gray one. I did post up my AW11, and I was asking 4,500, and man, you know, a lot of people just waste your time, and I just removed it. I don't want to waste my time. Time is money, and people just want to waste your time. I don't think I'm gonna sell it anymore. I'm not sure. I don't think I'm gonna sell it anymore, but you know, I'm always changing my mind. But that means if I don't sell it, I cannot bring the gray one over here and work on the gray one, which I'm okay with that. But you know, if I don't bring it over here, then this is gonna go to the AW11. But I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure because mounts, wiring on the AW11, it's much more expensive, and I still have to do the manual swap. And you know, the AW11 is not as popular as the SW20. So in the near future, when I do decide to sell it, the AW11 is gonna be harder to sell, and I won't get as much money if I install it on the SW20, if you get what I mean. So I'm still leaning more towards the SW20, but we'll see, man. We'll see. But that's what we got with the 2GR. The gray one is still in Miami. AW11 is out there. But yeah, guys, that's my update for my MR2s, man. Been babbling for 11 minutes. But 10 minutes, I'm sorry. But yeah, man, it's slowly but surely. The next mod for this car, of course, is going to be the starlights, then the brakes and whatnot. Then I wanna restore these black stuff. Well, these whatever you want to call it, I don't know. Yeah, I want to restore that and go from there. But yeah, guys, this is my MR2. It's a work in progress. It's still a project. Of course, the engine bay is nice. It's legit. For those that haven't seen it, let me show you guys real quick. Hey man, this Florida weather ain't no joke, man. This Florida weather ain't no joke, man. Hold on, guys. Let me put you down. Oh yeah. But this is the engine bay. Of course, semi-wire tuck, engine bay shave. I'm not gonna do much. I'm gonna just paint that bracket right there in black. We're gonna change these bolts in gold. I don't know what happened with that. They usually come in gold, but I don't know why they give me black ones. We're gonna clean it again, and I don't know. I wanna paint the block, but you know, that's just gonna be very time consuming. But we'll see, man. We'll see. And it's just super dirty, man. It's super dirty. But yeah, guys, this is the update of my MR2s, my humble garage. I want to give a huge shout out to every single one of you guys, because we finally reached 850 subscribers a few days ago, and I'm super happy. I'm humbled because I started with 5 subscribers. Oh my god! But it is what it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, man, you don't need a lot of money to transform your MR2 when it comes to little things, just because it only took me about 150 to do this. So, yeah, man, take your time and don't be a follower, man. Don't be a follower. You already know what the que lo que, Jale.